I thought I'd come on here and tell you how to tell if a person is real. So, with AI, shit's getting crazy, right? Insane. So I thought I would bring some value into this conversation. Drop some value in the comments real quick for me. Like the video, subscribe. Okay, so if you're meeting this person in real life, you kind of want to see how they respond to your actions, right? If they respond weird, they're probably an NPC. So you gotta dodge that shit, and then like just run away. Value, and then if it's online, it gets difficult if it's online. Okay, so there is different AI tools that you can use to fight the AI. You can be like, is this real? And what you can do is actually not engage sometimes. So if you think someone's fake, this is maybe a different video, different topic with more value. But if you think they're fake, then you should stop responding. Value. Am I real? Hopefully. Value. I hope you enjoyed this content. Drop below how much value you got from a scale of 1 to 1,000. And also, if you think I'm a real person. Value. Just think about that. Think about that word. Bye.